A pleasant day, everyone. I'm Christian M. Elane with my co-researchers Nilda S. Convento and Irene M. Haso from Agustina Badilla Elementary School to present to you our action research entitled Integration of Case-Informed Teaching Approach in Teaching Mathematics to Improve the Academic Performance of Grade 4 Pupils. For context and rationale, the students' mathematical attitudes relate to student characteristics and learning environments. In order to develop the attitude and creativity in mathematics learning, teachers need to develop innovation in teaching mathematics. Therefore, it is necessary to do the learning that can encourage students' mathematical attitude. Case-informed learning is a constructivism learning approach. Case-informed learning is often defined as a teaching method which requires students to actively participate in real or hypothetical problem situations, reflecting the kinds of experiences naturally encountered in the discipline under study. This study aimed to determine the effectiveness of using the case-informed learning approach in teaching mathematics, how this technique or strategy helped to improve the pupil's performance in the subject after the intervention has been implemented.
For our intervention, using a case-informed approach engages students in discussion of specific scenarios that resemble or typically are real-world examples. This method is learner-centered with intense interaction between participants as they build their knowledge and work together as a group to examine the case according to Brooks 2020. The following are some of the basic rules for case-informed learning approach. First, tells a story. Next, focuses on an interest-arousing issue. Then, set in the past 5 years, followed by creates empathy with central characters, includes quotation relevant to the reader, must have pedagogic utility, conflict-provoking, decision-forcing, has generality, and lastly, it is short.
To investigate how effective the case-informed learning approach in improving the academic performance in math among grade 4 pupils, the researchers were able to come up with the following research questions. Number one, what is the result of the pretest before the conduct of the intervention?
Number two, what is the result of the post-test after the conduct of the intervention?
Number three, is there significant difference on the pretest and post-test before and after the conduct of the intervention?
For the methods, this study used pre-experimental one-group pretest post-test design. The participants were 30 grade 4 pupils who were identified with difficulties in understanding and mastering the competencies in Math 4 based from the pretest. They selected using non-random or purposive sampling. The instrument was pretest and post-test that was adapted from the first quarter module in Math 4. Data were analyzed using mean, standard deviation, and paired t-test.
Based on the research question number one, asking for the result of the pretest before the conduct of intervention, the data reveals that the participants' pretest yielded a mean of 2.4 thousand and standard deviation of 0.51640.
For research question number two, what is the result of the post-test after the conduct of intervention? Data shows that the participant post-test yielded a mean of 19.7 thousand and standard deviation of 0.18,390.
And for research question number three, if there is a significant difference on the pretest and post-test before and after the conduct of the intervention, the data shows the test difference of the participants' pretest and post-test before and after the integration of case-informed learning approach. The result obtained the p-value 0.00. This means that there is a significant difference between the pretest and the post-test of the participants. And for our conclusion, the findings revealed that after the integration of case-informed learning approach in teaching mathematics among the participants improved their academic performance. Case-informed learning approach encourages learners to use critical thinking skills to identify and narrow an issue, develop and evaluate alternatives, and offer a solution, and encourages deep learning through critical thinking.
That's all. Thank you very much.